In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to clear your data here in Google Sheets. And in doing this, we will be combining AppScript and AI to generate a custom function to clear our data for us. So what we're going to start with would be our AppScript. Now your AppScript is an extension that lets you do new and cool things here in Google Sheets. So it will help you create custom functions that will help you manage your data. So if we go back to our spreadsheet right here, you will find your AppScript again in your extensions, then select it right here. If you click on that, it will open a new tab where you can create your custom function. Now the type of language that you use here is called JavaScript, where you put a bunch of codes to create a specific function. Now, if you're not familiar with coding or if you're not a fan of it, this is where AI comes in. So even though we don't know any background into coding at all, no worries, the popular AI chatbot ChatGPT will help us with that. So in a separate tab, you can just open it. Here we are. You can just type in ChatGPT at the address bar at the top, and you'll be led to this page right here. You do need to sign in with an account, with an email. That's totally fine, and it's totally free, so don't worry about that. So here in the ChatGPT, this AI chatbot will be the one to help us generate the code or the script that we need to input in AppScript to create that custom function that will clear our data. So again, go back to ChatGPT and put in the command that you want this AI technology to generate for you. So let me just put in mine. I'm just going to paste it. Here we are. So what I've placed here would be create a script in Google AppScript that will clear all the data on the spreadsheet with a click of a button on the menu bar. You can customize this. You can be more specific. Like maybe you don't want to clear all of the data, maybe just some specific data and not all of it. Then you can put in what kind of data you want to be deleted, or maybe put in a custom name for that button. You can also do that. But once you're done, you can just press enter. Here you have it, and now it's generating all these instructions. And after that, you also have your JavaScript or the code that you will be copying and entering on your AppScript. Everything would be right here. All the instructions would also be included. You have open the extensions, open AppScript. You'll have to delete all the codes that are in the AppScript if there are any. And we also have some definitions right here. So basically, we have our code ready for us to copy. So we can just click on copy right here. There we go. It has been copied. Now let's go back to our AppScript. So here in the AppScript, you can rename the project that you're trying to do. And right here, if there are any codes right here, you can just select all and then delete. And now we are just going to paste. And there we have it. We're going to save the project to our drive. That's our next step. And then go back to your spreadsheet. After you've gone back to your spreadsheet, what you're going to do would be to refresh the page. So go ahead and refresh. And here we have our custom menu. So this is a new menu on our menu bar. If we click on it, you'll see the function clear all data. So if we click on that, it will tell you that it's running the script right now. And we also have a pop-up window telling us that all the data has been cleared on our spreadsheet. Right now you still see it, but if we click on OK, there we have it. We have successfully cleared all the data on our spreadsheet with that custom function that we've created with our AppScript and with the help of ChatGPT. Now, if you want to customize your button right here, you want to change the name of the custom menu, you can just go back to extensions, go back to AppScript. Here's the code that we have just pasted, and where I can edit the name of our custom menu would be right here. So I can just select that, delete, and rename it with clear data. There you have it. Make sure to save the project to drive. There you go. Go back to your spreadsheet and again, refresh the page. Once it has refreshed, you will see a new name right here with your custom function, which is clear data. And there you have it. And you can use this with any type of function you want to create. You can always customize it with a different function, not just with clearing your data, maybe formatting your headers or converting your data into a table. That's totally up to you, and you can always be creative with it. And that's how you can use AI to clear data on your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.